Hey guys, this is Mark Rodriguez here, checking out the fireworks. Some, like neighbor type fireworks, not the ones where you go to a big place or anything. Well, it's more natural that way. But anyways, guys, I'm wishing you all a happy 4th of July. Happy, safe there, 4th of July. Just all gotta be careful not to burn your face off there sending out them big fireworks. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Whoa, that's awesome. Whoa, that's a good one. We're checking out the fireworks here. Lots of good ones. Say hi or something. Hi. There we go. Ooh, look at that.
I'm done.
Oh, gee, look at that. Was awesome. Oh, jeez. Got some good stuff here, guys. Of course, you can't compare it to whatever Johnny's watching because, of course, Vegas has like a larger. I mean, you could just go to the Strip or something like that to see huge fireworks, or I guess like the Fremont Experience or something. But this is still pretty cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Damn. Sounds like we're in a shooting range or something. Jeez. Kind of reminds me of like Mexico, where you gotta hide in the house because there's gunshots. New Year's. Wow. Well, anyways, guys, we'll see you all later. See you all next year. It's awesome 4th of July. Hope you guys are having fun. Safe fun wherever you guys are. Hope you're all out there having a good cookout or barbecue with your family and friends, or I guess checking out stuff on YouTube. But yeah, we'll see you all next year, guys. Have a good 4th of July. Celebrate your independence. Your independence to be on YouTube to do whatever you want, well, for the most part. But yeah, have a good one, guys. See y'all later.